The 66th Annual Drosophila Research Conference is taking place in sunny San Diego. Join us for the latest in Drosophila research, as well as the opportunity to network with experts in the fly research community. Taking place March 19th to 23rd, 2025 in Town & Country Resort, this meeting will gather a unique community.
The genetics of Drosophila is obviously incredible. The ability to do things in a tissue-specific manner, which is something that we can do so easily in Drosophila. But also I think the thing that makes flies really great is that for almost any kind of thing that you would want to study, metabolism, growth, behavior, development, there is a model, tissue or organ or paradigm that you can easily adapt.
Scientists of all career stages are welcome at Dros 2025, and early career scientists are especially encouraged to come see what the fly community is all about.
I encourage my trainees to really just to put themselves out there, to go up to someone with just a simple hello and say their name and a handshake and say something about what they're interested in. I've found that the fly community is so welcoming that those kind of sort of simple gestures go a really long way.
Come hear research covering the full gamut of Drosophila investigations, including genetics, molecular and cell biology, evolution, and more. Registration and poster-only abstract submission are open.